punch her?
Go punch yourself. Love that fist.
Cooper.
Cooper! And Mr. Hans Oak is over here.
Cooper. Cooper.
He hates cameras. I don't know what his deal is.
Hi, baby girl.
I don't know what I was trying to
Cooper.
Oh shit, I just missed it. Or she's jabbing him in the side.
Hey.
Cooper!
Hey.
Cooper. Cooper.
And this is why none of our pictures are done. What is outside that you're looking at?
That one's good.
She's totally grabbed onto his shirt.
Now
You're just
imagine
totally
if she
gripping
was in her
her.
Winnie the Pooh costume, it would be like little Winnie the Pooh catalog.
Mm-hmm.
They were almost holding hands. It was so close.
Cooper, put your fist in her mouth, and Kylie, you put your fist in his mouth.
That sounds creepy.
Fister.
Totally fist her.
It's fun. Totally boxing her in the head. Kylie, you just gonna put up with that? She's totally laughing.
Oh, now you look at her. Douche. There's something up there. I think it's probably just looking.
Punch. Kick.
Yeah, you punch him back, Kylie. Punch him back. Jasper, get down.
Oh my god. We're totally showing them this video when they get older.
Are you taking a video?
Yes.
I'm just taking a ton of pictures in hopes that some of them turn out.